Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook while signed in. This ensures you can access account controls. Once logged in, tap the main menu, 3 lines on mobile, or the account arrow on desktop, then choose Settings and Privacy and open Settings. From there, go to Security and Login so you land on the Login Management area. Doing this first puts you where password controls live, which saves time and prevents accidental lockouts when you change credentials. Once on Security and Login, scroll to the Login section and locate Change Password. It's the control that updates your credential. Enter your current password first so Facebook verifies you, then type the new password and re-enter it to confirm. This prevents typos. Make sure the new password is strong, at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, because stronger passwords reduce the chance of unauthorized access. After verifying, click Save. After saving your new password, review recently used devices and log out of any sessions you don't recognize. This prevents old logins from staying active. Then enable two-factor authentication for layered security. It's why your account stays safe even if a password leaks. If you face problems signing in, use Facebook's account recovery flow and verify identity with a phone or trusted contact. If things go wrong, reset via email or phone. That's the reliable troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.